Hi everyone. Welcome to English Soundscape channel. Today, we'll talk about personal pronouns and possessives in English. Let's take a look at this chart. We will have subjective pronoun, objective pronoun, possessive adjective, possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Subjective pronoun will be I, we, you, he, she, it, they. With objective pronoun, they will be me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Possessive adjective include my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Possessive pronoun will be mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. And in the last column, reflexive pronoun, we will have myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself and themselves. Now, let's go through each type of pronoun along with specific examples. First, subjective pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These pronouns act as the subject of the sentence. They perform the actions of the verbs. Now are examples of subjective pronouns. I am doing my homeworks. We are all students here. You are my friend. As a singular. You are my friends, as a plural. He is a doctor. She is eating dinner. It is raining outside. They are good players. Objective pronouns. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Use the object pronoun when it is the object of a verb. Let's come to examples of objective pronouns. My mother called me. The guide showed us the way to the museum. I will meet you at the cafe later. Sarah gave him a gift for his birthday. They invited her to join the team. Please pass it to me when you're done. We saw them at the park yesterday. Possessive adjective. My, our, your, his, her, its, their. Examples. My phone is charging on the desk. Our team won the championship last night. Your book is on the table. As singular. Your teacher said the class did well on the test. As plural. His car is parked outside the building. Her dress looks stunning in that color. The dog wagged its tail happily. Their house is located near the beach. Possessive pronouns. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. Examples. This bag is mine, not yours. The victory was ours after a long and hard-fought game. Is this book yours or someone else's? As singular. These seats are yours, we reserved them for your group. As plural. That jacket is his, not mine. The blue umbrella is hers, she left it here yesterday. The company lost its reputation after the scandal. That garden is theirs, and they take great care of it. Reflexive pronouns. Myself. Ourselves. Yourself. Yourselves. Himself. Herself. Itself. Themselves. Examples. I made this cake myself for the party. We prepared ourselves for the upcoming exam. Did you write this essay yourself? As singular. You should be proud of yourselves. As plural. He taught himself how to play the guitar. She looked at herself in the mirror before leaving. The cat washed itself after falling into the mud. They enjoyed themselves at the festival last night. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please follow our channel for more interesting videos.